Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, today we will do our remaining exercise number 14 and lesson number 6. Focus on the board. I have written all the exercise on the board, okay? اقرأ المثال. Read the example. ثم املأ الفراغ فيما يلي على غراره. غرار means on this pattern, okay? غرار means pattern. Read the example, then fill in the blanks according to this pattern, okay? This is the pattern written here, okay? I have already filled the blanks. So for you, I will suggest that do this exercise at your own merit. Then check here, I have written, okay? So if you find any mistake, please correct it, okay? Now here, Hamid Jawan. Hamid is hungry. Now you have to use the any noun, plural noun of masculine. So we used at-tullabu, jiya'un. The students are hungry. Jiya'un, it is a plural of jawan. Now comes to the feminine noun. So Maryam jawa'a. Maryam is hungry. Now plural of feminine noun at-talibatu jiya'un. Okay? So jiya'un. This jiya'un, it is same in masculine and as well as for feminine. Okay? Hamid jawa'anu at-tullabu jiya'un. Maryam jawa'a at-talibatu jiya'un. Now comes to the exercise. So number 1, Khalid atshanu. Don't say atshanun because it is a ghair munsarif. Okay? You cannot give them tanween. Okay? Like to rafa, to zamma and to nas, like that. You cannot say like that. So atshanu. Khalid atshanu. Al-awladu Itashun. Itash, it is a plural of Atshan. Khalid Atshan. Al-awladu Itashun. And Fatima, for Fatima we will use Atsha. Same like Jawa'a. Okay, Fatima to Atsha. Fatima is thirsty. Al-banatu Itashun. The girls are thirsty. Okay, Itash. Atshan, pyasa hona. Thirsty hona. Number 2, Ibrahim Shab'an. Ibrahim is full. Asuda hona. Shigamser hona. Now, plural of masculine noun, we used ar-rijalu. Ar-rijalu shiba'un. Okay, Shab'an jam'uhu shiba'un. All men are full. They have eaten their food, okay? Now for feminine noun, Zainab Shaba'a. Zainab is full. An-nisa'u shiba'un. And all women are full. So Shaba'an jam'uhu shiba. And Shaba'a jam'uhu shiba. Okay? Plurals of this noun are same, okay? Jiya'un, jiya'un, itashun, itashun, shiba'un, shiba'un, okay? Now number 4, al-mudarrisu ghadban. The teacher is angry. So we used al-mudarrisun, ghidabun. The teachers are angry, okay? Now comes to the feminine noun. So we used mudarrisa. Al-mudarrisatu ghadba. Al-mudarrisatu ghidabun. Same for masculine or for feminine. Okay, ghidab, ghidab. And this is number 5, Yusufu kaslanu. Yusuf is a lazy boy. Lazy or lazy boy, whatever you can say. At-tullabu kusala. Okay? Its plurals are its plural is little bit different, okay? So it's like a exceptional case, not like Aitash and Jia and Shiba. It's a different. You have to see the dictionary for knowing the plural of any noun. Okay. Now Yusuf Kaslan and At-Tullabu Kusala. The students are lazy. Maryam Kasla. Maryam is lazy. At-Talibatu Kusala, and the female students are lazy. So Kaslan jam'uhu Kusala. Maryam Kasla jam'uhu Kusala. Okay. So now we have done our exercise number 14. Now comes to the exercise number 15. I have written on that board. So look at that. تأمل ما يلي. Lima and limaza both are same. Okay, it means why. Lima kharajta min al-fasl. Why did you come out from the class? Okay, and here akharajta min al-fasl. Did you come out from the class? So this would use to express the reason why. Okay, why did you eat that food? Why did you go there? Why did you beat him? So in Arabic we have to use limaza or lima. In Islam language they only say le. Even they do not say lima. Okay, proper word is limaza. They shorten it lima, and now Arabs are using le. Okay, so limaza becomes lima and lima becomes le. Lima kharajta min al-fasl. Why did you come out from the class? And here akharajta min al-fasl. Did you come out from the class? Na'am, yes. So he will ask you lima. Why? Why did you come? Why did you come out from the class? Like that. Okay. So now another example is given in your book, please. لما ضربت هذا الولد. Why did you beat this boy? أضربت هذا الولد. Did you beat this boy? نعم, yes. So he will ask lima. Why did you beat him? Lima, only lima. Okay, you do not have to ask another this question. Lima kharajta min al-fasl. No, lima, it is enough. Now exercise number 16. اكتب الأسماء الآتية مجرورة ومنصوبة. Okay, اكتب الأسماء الآتية مجرورة ومنصوبة. Here is marfu. Marfu means subjective case, like kitabun, khalidun, baytun, jawwalun, babun, nafidatun. These nouns are in subjective case. Two zamma or one zamma, both are in subjective case. Now comes to the majroor. Majroor means genitive case. Okay, comes kasra under the noun, like kitabin, khalidin, baytin, anasin, jawalin, mirwahatin, babin, like this. Okay, now mansuba. Mansuba means accusative case, or you can say objective case. Mansub ki halat, like kitaban, khalidan, and baytan, and as well sa'atan, jawalan, asan, any noun. Okay, so these are called the hala of the noun, condition of the noun. So noun would be in three condition: marfu, majroor, or mansub. Okay, subjective case, genitive case, and objective case. So there are given the noun, you have to do like that. Same I have did here, I have done here. Okay, now exercise number 17. تأمل ما يلي. So there is written hati ya Ahmad. Hat. it means give, oh Ahmad. Bring, oh Ahmad. Hat al-moya, mujhe pani do. Okay. For the plural, if you wanted to use the plural form, so you will say hatu ya ikhwan. Bring, oh brothers. Okay. Hat, hatu. And for feminine, hati ya Su'ad. Hati Zainab hadal kitab. Zainab ye kitab mujhe do. Bring this book, oh Zainab. For feminine noun, if you wanted to use the plural, you have to say hatin. Okay? Hat becomes hatu. Like in the Quran, قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. पैगंबर उन्हें कह दो कि वो कोई दलील लेकर आए, बुरहान लेकर आए, एविडेंस लेकर आए, अगर वो सच्चे हो तो, अगर तुम सच्चे हो. So, and hati, so its plural comes hatin. Okay? Now, exercise number 18. اكتب الآيات الخمسة الأولى من سورة الرحمن وسورة الحديد وسورة النبأ. आपको आयतें लिखनी है. It is up to you. If you wanted to write, please write this. Now, الكلمات الجديدة, new words. So, مجلة جمعه مجلات. It means magazine. راكب ركاب. It means passenger. شقة جمعه شغب. It means flats. عمارة عمائر, building. سن أسنان. It is a mistake, typing mistake. Okay. كم سنك? What is your age? How old are you? Here is sinnun. Its plural comes sinin or sinun, not asnan. Sinnun jam'uhu, asnan means teeth. Okay? दांतों के मीनिंग में लिख दिया है, तो ये टाइपिंग मिस्टेक है. असल आना चाहिए यहाँ पे सिनून और सिनीन. In subjective case sinun, in objective case sinin. Okay? So this is a mistake. Sinnun jam'uhu asnan means teeth. Because in this lesson, kam sinnuk, it is used about the age, not about the teeth. Okay, if you will say kam sinnan fi famik, how many teeth, how many tooths in your mouth, then it is correct. Okay, but in this lesson, it is a different sentence about the age. So you sinnun jam'uhu sinun and sinin, not sinnun jam'uhu asnan. Now, kalima jam'uhu kalimat, sentences. Surah jam'uhu suwar, it means chapter, surat. Ja'a, came, and kawa yakfi, it means to do iron. Okay? Now we have finished our lesson number 6. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.